morning, friends. This is CA Shahrukh Firoz from Stock Today. Hope everybody is well. So let's get started. हमारा आज की जो टॉपिक है Apollo Hospital, because now at the COVID scenario, hospitals stock we actually were interested to see how it performed, how it worked. So this is Apollo Hospital chart, and this is a 1 hour chart. And what is the overall trend we are seeing in the Apollo Hospital? If it is a 1 hour chart, it is a downtrend, right? The trend is down, okay, at 1 hour. So if this is for intraday, then 1 hour is your grandfather, father is 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is also downtrend. So 5 minutes, it is again a downtrend, okay. So therefore, how would you like to trade Apollo tires, Apollo Hospital? So as usual, we have to switch on our setup. This is our golden road, okay, and this actually black line gives you the trend. What is the trend, whether it is bullish or bearish, and if it is bearish, what is the strength of the trend, okay. And we are seeing the strength of the strength has gone up from here, from this level to this level, which means this is a very high downtrend, okay. Now we have seen father, grandfather and son all are downwards. So this hospital is actually bearish for 25th. Now let's also switch on our stocks setup. Once we switch on our setup, what we have seen? We have seen that the stock technically, if you are looking at a particular range, the stop was actually not tradable from this particular zone, this zone. Why? Because this is the zone where you have a Bollinger Band squeeze. Squeeze कहाँ से चालू हुआ है? Squeeze यहाँ से चालू हुआ है, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, ओके, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक स्क्वीज. सो देयरफॉर ये जो है हम लोगों को जो ट्रेड करने के लिए जो मौका है, we have not got any chance whatsoever to take a trade at this juncture. So when Apollo opened, it opened a huge big red candle, okay, and that's a very special candle for us. This is a back to back red candle, so it was so very bearish. Once that is done, thereafter the stock from this level to this level, मोटा मोटी ये जगह पे ना, ये जगह पे ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक, this area it went, this is the area where it went into consolidation, okay, it went in sideways, okay, यही एरिया से यही एरिया तक sideways चला गया. Thereafter what has happened? Now from this area to this area, we could not trade because there is a Bollinger Band squeeze. Where is the band? This is the from band is started. Band has started from this area to this area. Okay, this is the area where we should not trade this particular stock. This is the area. Okay. Now, when you could have traded after this long journey, whole day. Let's remove all the drawings. After the whole day, if you look at this, look at it carefully. At last, we got Nikala satisfied here at this particular candle, okay, in this area, Nil, Kala, Lal. And once Nikala is satisfied, what are the other things you have got? The other confirmation you have got, you have a X candle here, okay, and then you have got this kind of move. It has dropped from if it has dropped from, this is a double bottom, this is another confirmation, there is a double bottom here, these two green candle and red candle, there is a double bottom, and therefore, and you have a supply line here, it was a sell pressure, so at the top you have a sell pressure. So from 3178 it has gone down to 3140, that is 38 rupees. How much? It has gone down by 38 rupees, okay, from this particular area. So what is the lot size of Apollo Hospital? See, in this 35 rupees, you might not have got 35 rupees, but you could have got at least 35 rupees. And it's a 250 lot size, 250 shares into 38. You could have easily made 9,500 rupees without any problem. Why? Because in this area you have three confirmation, double top, X candle, Nikala satisfied, and the very most important part is your downtrend is increasing. Therefore, this is where we should really encash our software to make money. Without this software, if you look at, if I switch it off, you do not know whether it is a Nikala satisfied or not. How will you enter at this particular level? You don't know. At this particular level, whether the trend, at the rate at which कितना speed में नीचे गिरेगा, वो basically ये black line indicate कर रहा है, तो बहुत भारी गिरेगा and भारी बरसात हुआ है पैसा की. Okay, so this is our general setup, which is an advanced setup, and it is so easy to use. खाली software देखो and then apply your trade. It is so easy and anybody can trade, right from a school student to housewife to retired persons to, even if you are working in office, you can always use a mobile phone. And this setup is an international setup, TradingView platform, which wherever you are in the globe, you can access this setup and you can trade it with your mobile. So this is our general setup. We also have advanced setup, very advanced setup. So let me also show you other setups. And ये basically ये जो जहाँ निकाला satisfy कर रहा है, you get a diamond scanner. We have lot of scanner, diamond scanner, then lightning scanner, जहाँ lightning move हो सकता है. So ये सब जो चीज़ है ना, उसके लिए हम लोगों का scanner भी है. So you can always have a look at it. I am coming to the course part secondary. So let's show you in the Apollo Hospital part. Okay, now we have a very special kind of setup here. Here you have a multi-frame, father, grandfather and son, and whenever you move on, it will give you a signal wherever you have a bullish, very bullish setup, very bearish setup, and all those it will keep on giving. And if you bring your mouse at any point of time, it will give you the what it is and what you should do. Okay, what action you should take. So this is a chart of UPL where we have actually taken big trade. I mean big trade means big trade. Okay, I will show you how we have done. So UPL was on an uptrend, but even if it is an uptrend, should we buy? So therefore, at what point of time we should buy? That's very important. So let's switch on our Gann setup. Once we switch on the Gann setup, what we have seen is that this particular stock was actually going up. Okay, but then we were actually tracking this from this particular point where it has actually broken. I will show you how we have actually traded. Okay, now in this setup, at this particular level, there was a barrier. Okay, this is the visual barrier. So how did we handle this particular barrier? So we were actually waiting for UPL is United Phosphorus. So it is a 1300 lot. So we were actually waiting for this, that when we will get a good move. Okay, once it has broken out, we have become alert. We could have taken the stock here, we could have bought it here, but why we did not be, did not buy it here? Because there was an automatic very super strong resistance, and every setup is automatic here. This is the very very strong line automatically drawn, and if you look at the history, you will get that how beautifully this line was basically respected. एनीथिंग जब ये लाइन के नीचे स्टॉक आई वो नेगेटिव है, एंड जब जब ये लाइन के ऊपर जाएगा वो पॉजिटिव होगा. ओके, सो दीज आर ऑल ऑटोमेटिकली डन. वी डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग, एंड द लेवल्स आर ऑल विल बी कमिंग ऑन द डैशबोर्ड. ओके, नाउ so you are actually waiting for this setup. Why? Because we wanted this barrier to break, this line to break, otherwise उसके हमने नहीं लेंगे. Okay, because any time it could have come down. So ये पर्टिकुलर जगह पे what you have got, you got a very 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 important one lightning indicator that this is a very good move, that and उसकी with power, this line was broken with power. Okay, so ये जब with power break करता है ना, it gives a good move. So therefore ये जो कैंडल जब ये तोड़ा है ना, हम लोग इस कैंडल की हाई दैट इज 745, हम लोग 746 में हमने घुसा है ट्रेड पे. सो एट 746, at this level 746, we have taken a buy call. Okay, at 746 here, around this. Okay, so at 746, how much? At 746 we have actually taken a buy call. Okay, now once you have taken this line, we have has acted as an automatic support. So how did we manage the trade? So we started off here with a very very lightning shocking candle, huge buying. Okay, with a green indicator is also very green, so therefore it's all bullish. So far so good. We are not looking at anything. Okay, it is only price action. I don't have to do anything. So you are following this system. Okay, and then at this particular level, when we have come, it touched, it closed, it did not close the day. So therefore we have not got out. We took a chance that इसकी बाद अगर रेड कैंडल होता तो हम निकल जाता. ओके, नहीं निकला. सो देन इट हैज ऑल द वे वी हैव टेकन ए राइड अप टू दिस लेवल. वंस ये जो रेड कैंडल है, सेकेंड रेड कैंडल है, एट 815 816 वी हैव मूव्ड आउट. सो वी गॉट इनटू दिस ट्रेड एट 816 में मैं निकाला, एंड 746 816 ने निकाला, 746 ने हमने एंट्री किया. वी गॉट अराउंड 70 पॉइंट्स. Actually we got 69 points to be very precise, 69 points, and then it is a 1300 lot size, 89,700 straight. How many days? We have entered on 14th of May and exited on 28th of May. 14 दिन में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? कोई टेंशन ही है नहीं. एंड इसके साथ we actually, it is very difficult to manage this trade. And who assisted it? Again another, I actually, this is a combination of software. The same software में मैंने क्या किया, इसको भी देख लिया कि yes, so that we should not be making a loss. And ये line जो है ना automatic आ रहा है. So therefore as long as you are allowed riding this line, and इस जगह पे मैं क्यों ट्रेड से निकला, क्योंकि this is first of all automatically plotted all time high. ऑल टाइम हाई में जब रेड मिलता है तो उसको निकल जाना अक्लमंदी है. okay, so therefore, and every time you are getting in the green zone, you are getting this all green bullish trend. So this is where we have taken a big trade for 5 6 7 trading days, 7 8 days. So therefore it is very very easy for this kind of things to really match you can also do this kind of trading, provided you have that kind of software. So therefore it is all purely software driven. And इसमें जो हम लोगों का जो डैशबोर्ड है, let me zoom into the dashboard. ये डैशबोर्ड में आपका जब गाड़ी चलाता है तो आपकी काफ़ी सारा इंफॉर्मेशन भी आता है. सो इधर स्पीडोमीटर भी दे दिया, LOC दे दिया, लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल. सो द स्टॉक प्राइस इज above everything. When we got out, it was here. So therefore, this line automatically everything, you don't have to do anything, and then it also gives your ability to really find out what are the next support and resistance. Supposing आज 811 में क्लोज हुआ है, ओके, यूपीएल 813, तो नेक्स्ट डाउन मूव कितना तक जाएगा, ये वाला लाइन में सब आ रहा है. नेक्स्ट डाउन मूव इट विल रीच अप टू 764, देन उसकी बाद 703, उसकी बाद 642, लाइक दैट ऑल these levels are drawn up, okay. And then if you go to the future, you will get all future lines automatically drawn. You don't have to do anything. Whenever you trade this or any stock, or these lines are automatically gets plotted. So, and these are all Gann lines, very very important line to for people to really understand that this Mr. WD Gann was a champion of stock market. So these are all his Ganns. These lines are automatically drawn as per his theory. So, and I personally trade on this kind of softwares, on this kind of setup, and which really gives you good money. Even if you look at 5 minutes chart, automatically everything would be set. And then even if I have to switch off this, automatically it gives your good signal that whenever it is breaking, you can take a call. So therefore intraday बोलिए, and then long term, everything is is built in this kind of software. So if you have a combination of this software, you are really going to make money without much headache. सो देयरफॉर ये 5 मिनट में जो चार्ट में जाएंगे, तो देयरफॉर ये वाला जगह पे हम ट्रेड नहीं करेगा कि स्क्वीज है. इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल. स्क्वीज हो गया तो ये जो रेड लाइन अब ब्रेक किया है, वी हैव एन एडवांस सिग्नल दैट नाउ आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग टू गो अप. सो देयरफॉर once it breaks out, you take this kind of trade. Then again, just leave that trade. These are all sideways, you don't have to do anything. These are all ये जगह से ये जगह sideways हो गया, ये sideways हो गया. So then again, and in the dashboard it is showing that what is your health now. My health in the 5 minutes and 15 minutes, my health is very weak, that is I am ready to go down. So therefore ये जगह से at 235 नीचे सेलिंग हुआ है. So यहाँ निकाला, satisfied हुआ, तो here also you can take a downtrend. And then once it is up, once the downtrend is nearby, is over, it gives you a signal. अभी यहाँ से देखिए ये ग्रैंड की सिग्नल है, ये गैन की जो क्या सिग्नल है. what is the value here? The value here is about 808 point how much, 800 this is the value, 808.5 or 807 something. If you look at this particular value, here it will be coming on board. The value is 811.55. So this value 811.55, there is a support. 808 sorry, 800, this is the level, sorry, not this one, yeah. So this is basically 808.51. So this level is about 808.51, and this is where you will take a support. And exactly so, you have started getting reversal signal here, and therefore you have to wait. Once it crosses this level 813, I will buy for the next move of for 816, and then your next move is 817, then 825, and all these levels are all written. I don't have to do anything manually, so everything is done by the software. And even if I am driving, even if I am going on holiday trip, you can always do this kind of thing. Similarly, this State Bank of India setup, I can keep on showing you many setups, but no point. So therefore is maybe we all same thing, same setup, same line, and then State Banks, you can make money with ease. यहाँ से एरिया से नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ मेरा बेंडिंग जो ब्लैक कलर जो लाइन है ये हमको सिग्नल दे दिया, सिग्नल देने का बाद देखो क्या होल हाल है, and it is all shown in the dashboard, and automatically these things are all plotted why at this particular juncture, why it has reacted, and in the past also it has reacted a lot, it has reacted a lot. So therefore, you have all automatically lines drawn, so therefore you don't have to do anything on the support and resistance. Stock market is always it's a question of support and resistance, and इसमें momentum मिल जाएगा तो सबसे बढ़िया है. So we have this kind of setups. So we have a basic setup called which will give you we will give you the software. This is the basic software that we will give you at a price of 30,000 plus 15,000, 45,000 for a scanner, because without scanner you cannot do anything. But if you want to take this kind of setup, this is जहाँ हमने UPL का दिखाया, which is a great setup. So ये वाला जो सेटअप है ये दोनों एक साथ आपको मिलेगा, ये दोनों सेटअप, ये आपका टोटल प्राइस होगा 1,25,000, but that 1 lakh for the basic, that is ये वाला सेटअप 1 lakh, this is the setup for 1 lakh, and this is the setup for 50,000, 75,000 for basic course, and then this, if you take it together 1,25,000, 1,25,000 is the total cost. And our student also has a chance to upgrade it, but these are all setups which are lifetime valuable, and there are schemes that you can always go through and find out what are the things available, and then whatever suits you best, probably you can take. And then we have bull trap, bear trap. This is a bull trap, and bear trap is there everywhere in the market, so you can always look for these. And we have some explosive scanner, diamond scanner, multi RSI. So these are all pricing, and everything has a different story to tell. So जो आपका suitable लगता है वही आपको देखना है. So that's the kind of setup that we have. So friends, that's all from my deck today. This is C.S. Swarup Ghosh signing off. Bye bye. Take care.